Škoda 1000 MBX Concept. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In a bold tribute to its past, Škoda's designers have reimagined one of the brand's rarest classics, the Škoda 1000 MBX Coupe. Originally produced between 1966 and 1969, only 2,500 units ever left the Mlada Boleslav plant. Now, decades later, the elegant two-door returns in a futuristic, all-electric form, not as a production car, but as a digital vision of heritage redefined. The concept, created by designers Antti, Mikael, Savio, and Stingl, transforms the MBX into a sleek 2+2 Grand Tour for the electric age. The project evolved from hand sketches to a complete 3D digital model in just a few weeks, continuing Škoda's Icons Reimagined series that celebrates its history through modern design thinking. The exterior keeps the familiar silhouette of the 1960s coupe, but adds contemporary touches: sliding rear doors for easier access, clean body lines, and a confident stance on two-tone wheels. Narrow LED headlights with signature accents, a black front splitter, and sculpted fang details give the car an expressive, almost living face. Cameras replace traditional mirrors, while hidden door handles and a striking rear design complete the minimalist aesthetic. Inside, the concept takes a futuristic leap. A transparent oval dashboard hosts projected displays and a tactile central control panel. The steering wheel, flattened at the top and bottom, integrates its own digital cluster. With no central tunnel, the cabin feels open, simple, and driver-focused, echoing the clarity of the original MBX interior. Though purely virtual, the reimagined Škoda 1000 MBX is envisioned with a fully electric drivetrain and adaptive air suspension. It's a vision of how timeless design can meet tomorrow's technology, a celebration of Škoda's innovative spirit, and a respectful nod to a rare classic reborn for the digital era. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for your viewership.